Hi guys, welcome to Apco, Advanced Profit Cloud Oil. So today we're gonna have together a look at the Apco system. How can you trade it? Okay, so this system is based on a trend line, this one at the middle, and it will change color. So when you have the blue color, once the blue start and the price is above the blue, then you have a buy signal. Okay, this one was the end of the week, and when there was a big gap. Okay, so for this one, let's say that one was a buy, then you ended one here. When the color change, then you get out. Then you wait till the price is below the trend line and you get a color change. So for example, you get that one. Okay, then this one is a sell signal. Okay, your stop loss should be on the other side. When you have a candle closing on the other side, then you should get out of the trade. So let's say you sell here, then your stop loss is here. So this one you're gonna continue with it like that, all the way. It's not gonna hit a stop loss, because if your stop loss is here, it's gonna stay. It's not gonna hit a stop loss. Then if you're gonna go all the way with it, you're gonna have a really nice run down all the way here. Okay, like all the way. It's really good. Did reach like almost 51 level or so. Okay, so then after you have a really nice sell like that, you don't take another sell, you wait for the buy. Okay, once you have a buy here, then the color change here. Then let's say you get a buy here with the first candle close above the blue trend line. So if you go here is a little bit early, but you can get in. Okay, but the best would be when you wait for the candle close above the trend line, then you take the buy signal. Okay, this one, once you get, that's a little bit of pips here. That's 88 pips. So when you usually have something like that, you want to move your stop loss to the entry. Okay, so it did bounce back in this case. Okay, then if you ended up break even, then you can have another sell for this one. Then this sell is probably gonna end up in a small loss. Okay, so you may have couple ones like here, because this area was choppy. Okay, so for 1 hour time frame, you're not gonna have a big run in this one. Okay, so maybe you hit one stop loss or so, or one break even, one small profit in this area. So you're just gonna be a kind of time consuming, but there's no much profit. Once you come here, then you have a run up. Then once you have the first candle above the trend line here, then you get to the buy in this area, and your stop loss should be down here. Okay, so in this case you will run, that's 180 bips. So if you get 150 bips or so and you want to get out, will be fine. The same scenario when it comes down here in this area, when you have the first candle did cross the trend line, sustain below, then you can take this sell right here. Then if you take this sell, you're probably gonna get a little bit of also, this over 100 bips. Okay, so you can see it is very easy to read. Okay, if you take this one, it's gonna probably end up being a stop loss. If you take this one, you're gonna make good profit. If you take it from here or even here, that's 100 bips. Okay, so let's say that one, if you take this one here, then you're talking about here 290 bips to the top here, almost 295. Then when it does bounce back and you go here, then you can catch 100 bips. See, this one did not break above the trend line. That's why you don't buy in this one. Okay, if you want to sell again, that's fine. You actually should sell again when it's coming back down here. Then this one did run 170 bips. Okay, then you wait when it does break above again, this one, you take this buy. Okay, like this. So that was like 290 bips. So right now, let's say this one would be a sell. So the price, you sell here at 56.50, then your target will be around, this area right here, or when the color change, when it does come close to the trend line and the color change and start to going back up, then you can close your sell. Okay, you try to go for the 200 bips, between 100 to 200 bips will be the good kind of target. Okay, so that's how Apco works. It will work for oil, for gold, and for any other pair. So thanks guys. I hope the system I hope you guys like the system, and it will be a profit for all of you. Thank you and have a great day.